Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Ilya, and Ilya is 9 months old. He was 1 month premature, so he's more like an 8-month-old, or should be compared to one. He is able to sit independently, but cannot get in and out of sitting. He can get into hands and knees, but cannot crawl. He can stand, but cannot walk or pull up to stand. So what I'm seeing is a trend of him having trouble weight bearing on his one arm and reaching with the other one. So in the past I tried it in side sit. That was tricky. So I'm trying it this time just with his legs out straight in front, which is going to be a more stable position for him, to see if I can get him to weight bear on the one arm and prop with the other. So I've just got the toy to the side. I'm helping at that elbow. Look, my palm is on the back of his elbow, and I'm helping him prop on one to play with the other. Woohoo! I see it. He's sliding away from me, so I'm going to try it again. We're going to prop on one hand and play with another. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I see. Going to close it. Get that bunny. Close it up. I see. Oh, there we go. Let's prop on that one arm. Yes! Did you get it? Whoop. Your toes are on it. There we go. Prop and play. Woohoo! Now, since he had a torticollis, I know that one side could be different than the other side. You do like this toy. I'm just going to put it over here. No big deal. Close it up. I'm going to see if we can prop on the right arm. Again, I'm holding right behind the elbow with the palm of my hand, trying to get him to prop on that arm and reach. This is tricky. It looks like it's a long way down, so I'm wondering if we had a book down that it was not, made it not so far. Oh, I see. It's so hard. Woo! Did you get it? This is exactly the kind of work he needs to be doing. Now, some of this is tricky because I'm making him reach across midline. Instead of getting it with the close hand, which would make so much more sense to him, I am having him reach across and get with the opposite arm. There! This is super work for him. I see. I love it. So if you have a child who is able to sit but unable to get in and out of sitting, this is a great thing for you to start working on. Put the toys not in the center where it's really easy, but off to the side so he has to lean, prop, and play. Hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.